All right. So, new week. This is Monday. Oh, wait, no, this is Tuesday. I'm sorry. So, this is Tuesday. Let's get right into it. Click
Order
play.
filled.
Boom. Right there. Filled. All right, we're in profit. Looking pretty nice. I'm happy about this. Bam, we just start dropping perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. I think I got out on this candle right here.
Order filled.
Yep, sold most of my position, put half or put my last contract tick below break even.
Stop filled.
And then we got stopped out. Stopped out right there on our last contract. Pretty good. 2K on the day. 218. Beautiful.
Order filled.
January 22nd. What is it? Wednesday? Yeah, this is Wednesday. We're going in for a long here. Let's skip through it a little bit. Pulled back here. I think I got out.
Order filled.
Got out there. So we took a small loss. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. January 23rd. We're trying to get in a tick above here. All right, bam, we got it. We're bouncing right off our entry point. I think right around here I got out because the trend was getting weak, I think. Yeah.
Order filled.
It was right there. All right, that was another loss. I show it, yeah, I showed it, 168. Okay, next trade here. We go in for another long on the same day, the 23rd. We're trying to long again. Yeah, it was this candle.
Order filled.
Got out for a small loss there. And that was it. That was it for the 23rd. So 237. So 2 losses back to back. During the week, not so bad. This week was a little slow. So now I'm going to transfer over to my live trade on Friday. And shout out to my friend Billy. He was with me trading live, but he wasn't really trading. He was just trading with me, and I was explaining to him how I do my strategy and all this stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm in an IndicatorTrader video.
You are. Shout out to Billy. Yeah, we're gonna get filled in here. Fuck it.
Order filled.
No,
Okay. We just need to start dropping hard here.
we're dropping.
Yeah.
They're moving.
We're moving. We're up 2.25 candle. If we open green on this next candle, I'm just gonna sell most of my position. Okay, so far so good. All right.
Order filled.
Put it at break even or a tick below.
Stop filled.
All right, that was it. Cause this candle opened green. Yes,
Order filled.
Oh, I'm in.
Oh wow.
Oh, I gotta get out after this candle.
Order filled.
I'm
Yeah.
out. All right, that was.
We lost $200 profit.
We're up $50. Okay, so here are my stats. Look, another 50% win rate. Losing trades 450, profit trades 2275. And then of course fees came in, so initial or total profit is 1712. You know, not too bad. We're still in the green. You know, we're still in the green. Here are all my trades. But that's about it. Here's my proof. I'll see you guys on Monday. Let's get it.